Today I just got my order from AliExpress with this smart life smart switch that you can use to control your lights wirelessly via Wi-Fi or program a RF remote like this one. I already programmed the light with this remote. So if I press A, it will switch on, and pressing A again, it will switch off. So I can pair two of these smart switch with this one remote, one smart switch with A and one smart switch with B. Also, I programmed it already to work with Echo Dot. So it now works with Alexa and using voice command. So let's try it. Echo, turn on light 1.
Okay.
So you can see it turned it on. And Echo, turn off light 1.
Okay.
That's it. So it's very simple and easy to set up. Just follow the user guide, the manual, and everything is here, even the link to the app. Thanks.